Oh, I saw your question in the email. This question really goes back to some earlier questions on normal curve. Determine the critical value for a left-tailed test, Gardner population proportion, and alpha is 0.1 level of significance. So we want to find a z-score, and so you want to say z, I know they're talking about the normal curve. So you can do this by hand or with the calculator. I like StatCrunch. You click on Stat and Calculators, and you choose the normal calculator. This pops up. You got standard between. I'm just at standard. So you leave the mean and the standard deviation alone. You're at 0 and 1 since we're talking about the z-score. So they're talking about the alpha 0.1. So you just put 0.1 in here and click compute, and it gives you the critical value, which you need to round to 2 decimals. In this case, I guess it's negative 1.28. Well, it does say it's a left-tailed test, and so I want that left stand. And this area here is 0.1, and it gives you this critical value, this between negative 1 and 2, and it gives you the several digits of it. Hope this helps.